Hello everyone. Welcome to the AI Academy. In this course we will be focusing on natural language processing, or NLP for short. In this session, we'll introduce you about the NLP and some real-world applications of NLP and the various tasks it can accomplish. Let's get started. So, when we talk about NLP, one of the first things that might come to mind is virtual assistants. You've probably interacted with virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. What's interesting here is that we are using our natural human language to communicate with these devices, not a programming language. This ability to use everyday language is at the heart of NLP. However, you might wonder, how do computers, which only understand binary zeros and ones, process our complex human language? That's where NLP steps in. NLP is a field of computer science focused on developing methods for computers to analyze, model, and understand human language. This allows machines to process and interpret text data in a way that's meaningful to us. Think about any intelligent application you use daily. If it needs to analyze text or language, it relies on NLP. Virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant are prime examples. They leverage NLP to understand and respond to your queries, making them more interactive and user-friendly. Now, let's talk about some important applications of NLP that we encounter in our daily lives. One prime example is email platforms. They use NLP to offer various features like spam classification, priority inbox, calendar event extraction, and auto-completion. These features make managing our emails more efficient and less time-consuming. Virtual assistants such as Apple's Siri, Google Assistant, Microsoft's Cortana, and Amazon's Alexa heavily rely on NLP techniques. These assistants use NLP to understand and respond to user commands accurately. For instance, when you ask Siri to set a reminder or Alexa to play your favorite song, NLP is working behind the scenes to make that interaction seamless. Search engines like Google and Yahoo also utilize NLP. When you type in a search query, NLP helps the search engine understand what you're asking and generates the most relevant results. This makes finding information online faster and more intuitive. Another significant application is machine translation. Services like Google Translate allow you to input text in one language and get a translation in another. This is incredibly useful for communication across different languages and for accessing information that would otherwise be unavailable. Customer service is another area where NLP is prominent. Many companies use chatbots powered by NLP to provide better service. These chatbots can understand and respond to customer queries, making support more accessible and efficient. As you can see, NLP is used across various industries and applications. This makes it an essential skill for anyone in the data science field. Understanding and extracting information from text data is a crucial capability, and NLP provides the tools to do just that. In summary, natural language processing is not just a buzzword but a vital technology that enhances many aspects of our digital interactions. Whether it's filtering emails, assisting us through virtual assistants, improving search results, translating languages, or enhancing customer service, NLP plays a critical role. As we continue our journey, we'll explore these applications in more detail and understand how they work behind the scenes. As I've already mentioned, natural language processing is a specialized area within artificial intelligence. Essentially, NLP takes raw written text in natural human language and transforms it into a format that computers can understand. This transformation allows computers to process, analyze, and generate human language in a way that's useful for various applications. NLP is used in a wide array of applications, each performing a variety of tasks. While the list of tasks NLP can handle is extensive, here are some of the most common ones, such as language modeling, in which we predict the next word in a sequence based on the words that precede it. Text classification, which is about categorizing text into predefined groups. For example, filtering emails into spam or non-spam. Information extraction is about pulling out specific pieces of information from text, such as dates, names, or locations. Information retrieval, where we find relevant documents or information within a large dataset, much like search engines do. The conversational agents are chatbots or virtual assistants that can hold conversations with users. Text summarization is about creating a concise summary of a longer text. The question answering is about building systems that can answer questions posed in natural language. Machine translation is about translating text from one language to another. And the topic modeling is about identifying topics within a collection of texts. As we delve deeper into these tasks, you'll see how they connect to real-world applications and how you can leverage NLP techniques to solve various problems. This foundational understanding will be crucial as we progress through more advanced topics in NLP. Let's start with language modeling, which involves predicting the next word in a sentence based on the words that precede it. The goal here is straightforward: to learn the probability of a sequence of words appearing in a given language. This task might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful and forms the backbone of many NLP applications. For example, language modeling is crucial in speech recognition, which is about converting spoken language into text. Optical character recognition, OCR, which is about converting different types of documents, like scanned paper documents or PDFs, into editable and searchable data. Machine translation is about translating text from one language to another. And spelling correction, which is about suggesting corrections for misspelled words. The key takeaway is that language modeling helps predict the next word in a sentence, making it essential for various applications that require understanding and generating human language. Next, we have text classification. This task involves classifying or categorizing text into a predefined set of categories. It's one of the most popular tasks in NLP. Many people often think of text classification as the only task in NLP, but it's just one among many. Text classification is used in email spam identification, which is about filtering out spam emails from your inbox. Sentiment analysis is about determining the sentiment expressed in a piece of text, like whether a movie review is positive or negative. These are just a few examples of how text classification is applied. The goal is to categorize text into useful categories, making it easier to analyze and act upon. Another important task is information extraction. As the name suggests, this involves extracting relevant and important information from text data. For instance, calendar events, like extracting dates and times from emails to add to your calendar. Named entity recognition, identifying names of people, places, organizations, etc., mentioned in a text, such as social media posts or emails. Information extraction is all about pulling out specific pieces of information from large volumes of text, making it easier to understand and utilize the data. Moving forward, the next task we have is information retrieval. As the name suggests, this task involves finding documents relevant to a user's query from a large collection or database. For example, when you use Google Search, it utilizes information retrieval techniques to provide results based on your input. This is a fundamental aspect of search engines and many other applications that require fetching relevant information from large datasets. Another exciting application is conversational agents. This task involves building dialogue systems that can converse in natural human language. Examples include virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These agents rely on NLP to understand user commands and respond appropriately, creating a seamless conversational experience. Next up is text summarization, which aims to create concise summaries of longer documents while retaining the core content. This is especially useful when you need to filter large amounts of information into a more digestible format. An application of text summarization could be generating summary reports from social media data, allowing you to quickly grasp the main points without reading through all the details. Question answering is another crucial NLP task. It involves building systems that can automatically answer questions posed in natural language. Examples include chatbots that respond to user queries or systems that pull information from a database to answer specific questions. This task is vital for enhancing user interactions and providing quick, accurate responses to inquiries. Machine translation involves converting text from one language to another. A common application is Google Translate, which many of us use daily to bridge language barriers and communicate more effectively across different languages. This task relies heavily on NLP to understand the context and meaning of the source text and accurately translate it into the target language. Lastly, we have topic modeling. This task uncovers the topical structure of a large collection of documents, identifying themes and patterns within the data. It's a common text mining tool used in various domains, from literature analysis to bioinformatics. Topic modeling helps you find the important parts of the data, making it easier to analyze and interpret large text corpora. To summarize, in this lecture, we've explored the wonders of NLP and its applications in our daily lives. From virtual assistants like Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to search engines, machine translation, and text summarization, NLP is at the heart of many technologies we use every day. Understanding these tasks and their applications provides a solid foundation for diving deeper into NLP and harnessing its power in various projects. With this, we come to the end of our introductory lecture on natural language processing, NLP. Let's quickly summarize what we've covered today. Introduction to NLP. Applications of NLP explored how NLP is used in email platforms, virtual assistants, search engines, machine translation, and customer service. Discussed about tasks like language modeling, text classification, information extraction, information retrieval, conversational agents, text summarization, question answering, machine translation, and topic modeling. We hope you found this introduction to NLP both informative and engaging. There's much more to learn, and we're just getting started. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Stay tuned for the next lecture in our NLP course, where we'll dive deeper into specific NLP tasks and explore hands-on examples. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next lecture.